Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Force Index. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Force Index. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date we have tested a total of 21 different strategies with a total of 4 winners. We have tested 360 indicators with a total of 145 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 145 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the Force Index. We've tested one other Force Index. It was slightly different than this one. I believe that one was the Elders Force Index. But basically what we have is 2 oscillating lines, and then we have a 0 line here marked by the dotted blue, the blue dots. Dotted blue line? Yeah, let's try that. Dotted blue line. Anyways, so we have the 2 oscillating lines here. One is faster than the other. And so what we are looking for is that we are looking for both these lines, or let me back up. So we're looking for the cross to the upside of the 0, and we are paying attention to the green line. And so when the green line is above the red line and the green line crosses up above the 0 line, then we're going to go long. When the green line is below the red line and it crosses down below the 0 line, then we are going to go short. So I hope all that makes sense. So basically what we're looking for is the cross of the 0 line, and if the green line is above the red line at that point, then we're going to go long. If it's below the red line, then we are going to go short. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. So it is also valid well, let's do it this way. Let's actually just test it with the 0 line cross at the moment. and we will ignore the other ways. So we get across right here to the downside, and the green line is below the red line, and so that would be a valid short signal right there. But we get a pretty heavy pull to the upside there. That does get us stopped out. Go ahead and continue forward here. Looks like we pick up another cross to the downside there. Kind of same situation. Let's see if we get, yep, we got stopped out here on the other side. And then once again, we get a cross there. See if we stay within our 90 pips here. Nope, not quite. So we again get stopped out on that one. Then we get this one right here. It looks like this one's, nope, and it was, well, it was still playing out, but it's like we did squeeze profit out of that one. All right, continuing on here. Pick up a cross right here. Let's see. Looks like we actually picked it up right there on that one. Let's go ahead and play this forward a little bit. Looks like we're just kind of bouncing along that zero line there. We didn't get take profit to the downside, and we are still within our 90 pip stop. And then eventually it rolls over here on this side and does get us to take profit. So let's continue on with it here. Let's actually see where we got take profit. Yeah, as I suspected, it was on this big candle right here. And then if we track along, looks like we get our first long signal right there. That one does pretty good, gets us to take profit. Then over here on this side, pick up this short, and that one gets us to take profit as well. So now we have actually caught up and overtaken the losing trades. So there is hope for this one yet. All right, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut out some of the video here. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up closer to the end of the year. All right, we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to the Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading, trading strategies, trading indicators, and so on. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms rather than Tradingview, that would be a rather handy list for you to have. Our admins and regular members are posting almost every day trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out support and resistance and areas of interest with indicators and so on, showing exactly where they are entering, exiting, taking profit, the whole deal. They are growing small accounts rather quickly using those strategies and techniques. And so again, really insightful stuff for everyone to see. Another thing recently that I've been doing is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so the 20 some odd different strategies at this point that we have tested show exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, and so on. I've also included links to all the different videos, so that way you can just click on the video, go back and review that strategy, and of course pass that on to all the patrons along with the list of winning indicators that we have tested with their win rates as well. And so again, a lot of value in it for really, really cheap. Doesn't cost hardly anything at all. So back to the indicator here. Excuse me, let's see here. Got quite a few trades with this guy here. get everything in focus. All right, let's count these out. See what we got. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and 70. So we have 70 total trades, quite a few. So let's see what we got as far as winners. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So close. That was relatively close for as many trades as this indicator gave. But it's not going to meet the 60% criteria. It fell just a little bit short. And so I'm rather impressed by this one, though, because normally when you get, normally when you get an indicator that gives this many signals in 1 year, it typically does it horribly, like horribly bad. And so this one getting really close to the 60%, I have to give it credit. And so I might tinker around with this one and see if there is a slightly different way to trade this and then test it that way. So we'll see where that goes. But for now, it's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.